Meaning of homogeneity.
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 Homogeneity. Homogeneity means the state of being homogeneous or having a uniform composition throughout. It refers to the quality of having similar characteristics, properties, or structure. The result of homogeneity can be seen in various contexts, such as the homogeneity of a chemical mixture, the homogeneity of a population, or the homogeneity of a material. In each case, it implies that there is no significant variation or diversity within the set, and that all components are essentially the same. Homogeneity is an important concept in scientific research, statistical analysis, and social sciences. It enables researchers to make accurate predictions, draw reliable conclusions, and generalize findings to broader populations or contexts.